Here are some secrets that how to look young at the age of 50. Number 1. Use sunscreen. It reduces the signs of aging, protect you from sunburn. If you want to reduce the signs of aging, then make sunscreen your friend. Number 2. Get more sleep. It reduces your risk for serious health problems like diabetes and heart diseases. Number 3. Try anti-aging products. It helps in skin tightening and hydration. Good skin increase your self-confidence. Number 4. To look younger at 50, start by eating foods that help repair damaged skin like avocados, guava, and oysters. Good diet makes skin look younger. Number 5. Stress less and lighten up. Stress can create more wrinkles and general wear on your skin. A simple trick to try is to laugh more throughout the day. Laugh decreases stress hormones in the body and forces the muscles in your face to relax. Number 6. Limit sugar. Excess sugar in the body can cause your body to undergo a process called glycation. This process can damage the collagen in your skin. When this happens, your skin becomes less elastic and wrinkles can form more easily. Number 7. Color your hair. Gray hair gives you away your age. Consult a professional hairstylist and discuss color treatments that make your hair look more youthful without causing any more damage to it. Number 8. Get a new hairstyle. Talk to your hairstylist about options that may work for you. Keep in mind that as hair ages, it tends to weaken. As a result, longer hair often has less body and looks more unhealthy than shorter hair once you reach 50s. Number 9. Take multivitamins. Vitamins and minerals that can keep you looking young include vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, folic acid, biotin, and antioxidants. Also use vitamin D as a supplement. Number 10. Try to maintain weight. Too much weight gain makes you look older. Also try to apply subtle cosmetics. Wearing fewer cosmetics will actually do more for your appearance. All the women who want to look young, follow these simple steps. Keep watching my videos for more information. Don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.